Are you a consultant, entrepreneur, B2B owner, affiliate marketer, any niche you are in? You need a leads for you need leads for your business, and to generate leads you need a free lead magnet. You need a free lead magnet. So a free lead magnet is like free ebook and a free course, free tutorial. So in this video we are going to learn how you can build your host your free tutorial course. If you already build your course but you don't know how to host it inside the ClickFunnels, so we are going to learn how you can host your a free course inside ClickFunnels, and how you can also add upsells in your course. So with that you are easily able to sell your next product inside your funnel, inside your membership funnel or your free lead magnet funnel. So let's jump to my screen. If you see this screen, it is my free lead magnet, right? So it is a free lead magnet, or that is a course that I built inside the ClickFunnels. So I will teach you how you can build your membership area and host your course in the ClickFunnels. So uh, you can watch this video till the end. So let's so firstly you need to visit to your ClickFunnels, and from here you click on build funnel, and from click on classic builder and create a custom funnel. So we are build funnel from scratch. How you can build funnel like this? So click on classic funnel, and here name is FB live membership. So I already built my ClickFunnels tutorial. So if you want to access, you can. So yeah, this funnel is open, and for create this kind of membership, so first you need to, if it is all the dashboard, so here from here we need to choose membership. Because we build membership site, so we need to choose membership. There is all the option which kind of funnel you want to build. So you can choose membership access. So click on membership access, and here we have all those template that is pre-made. So let's choose first one. This video may be going to little bit long. uh, Here I choose this uh, membership area access. So from here you need to, membership access is for those for create your account in your membership area, only then people give their leads. Yeah, here you see this is the membership access, and this page is only open by secret signing URL. I will share with you in just a few seconds. So it is pre-made. So if you want to add anything from your background or all those things, if you want to edit it, so you are able to edit it from here, and all those kind of things. So if you want to add your logo, so here is my name logo, Nilesh Jain. So I add my name logo. If you see the so you can change the margin and all those things. So from here click on the margin, and here you see the top margin and bottom margin. So decrease the size of margin, and save this logo color is black, and the background color is black, so that is why it is looking like this. So for that you need to click on the section, and background color is changed according to like this. So okay, it is max which okay. So save, click on the save, and back to exit, click on the exit. Then the next page is this. The first page is to collect leads and build your account, and the next page is this. So how you can build this page? So click on add new step, and FB live member funnel. I build ClickFunnels tutorial course. It is already completed. So if you want to join this, link is in the comment section, and you can also reach out to me. So the page will be open, and from here we need to choose membership area. First we choose membership access to people give their leads. Now we need to choose membership area. First we choose access, now we choose membership area. So we choose membership area, and there is a pre-made template, so you can choose anything. So I will choose the first one. You can give this course to free to collect leads, and once people in your list, email list, then you are able to nurture those lists, and you are easily able to upsell them, right? So here you see that this is the membership area, and here all those lessons that we are added, these lessons videos and all those things are able to create in this here. So this is a pre-build, so I delete it and build it from scratch. So yeah, here you see add new lesson section. You need to click on add new lesson section and give the name. This lesson section is the basic no, uh, week one, maybe week one. You can give any name of your lesson, then create lesson section, and in this lesson section add a lesson. So this is the lesson section week one, lesson section week one, and give the name of this lesson section is the basic about the funnels, and page template. Which kind of page template? So basically we are already only upload the video on this lesson, so you can choose video lesson. So that is pre-made template, and if you want to build it from scratch, so you can choose nothing, right? So this is created, and clone this. So you just only need to rename the edit the name. uh, you edit all those things inside the open editor. If you want to change anything on the video part tutorial, so here is your headline about basic tutorials, and from here you are able to add your video of your course. So click on YouTube or Vimeo, Vistia, anything that you are want to. Then you once you done, so you are able to add the resources of yours, and also you are able to add your funnels is like this. If you see, I will drive people to one funnel away challenge from my free course. So you can also add like this, and also if you want to give resources, so you are able to add it here. Once you completed with this, so click on save and exit. So you edit all those things for fun, and then do clone. So you don't need to do same thing again and again. You just clone this, and inside tutorial lesson you can, if you want to do changes, so you can able to open editor and do some changes. And if you want to change the name about the lesson, so you can change it, uh, funnel tutorial or funnel introduction, or like this funnel steps one, step one, and all those like this. So create lesson, and then click on the open editor, and you are able to do change the name. So funnel step 2, or like funnel 2, create lesson. And then the third is so week one will add it, then we have a add new lesson, because maybe you are give the build it is like this: week one, week two, week three. So you need to add new lesson section. So let's add week two and create lesson section. And from here you can all again add new lesson. And from week two, And let's add tutorial click funnel, tutorial how to build funnels, like how to build funnels, and select template and video lesson, create lesson, and clone this, so you don't need to edit it again and again. So the same thing that is, and add new lesson section if you want to add more lesson section. So we are not build so many section, so it is like this. Once it is completed, then you need to click this secret sign up URL, because you secret sign up URL is required because once a people will visit your page, he is not a user of your members area, he is not a user of your members area. So for that, you need to collect first their details like name or email address, or maybe you want to collect anything else. So you can choose this secret signing URL. Once you choose this URL, so this page will be open. If you see, this page will be open. So from here, you can build your account. So there is an email. Where you see, click on I add this detail and create your account. So once I click on this, so this, if you see, there is so this is open date, right? If you see, there is some too much, like it is not look good. So for that, you, if you want to do editing of this, so again on your URL and open in editor, all those editing of this page is available on here. So if you see, it is like mismatch, enter in the different. So for that, you can add the top margin like this. So if you see, there is it is changes, it here is some gap is added. So then click on exit. So if you do again refresh, so we will find the changes. Now it is our free lead magnet. It is like my free course. I build my course because, like, membership area is done, you can add your videos, so course is ready. But the next thing is upsell, or maybe your affiliate link. So the next thing is upsell or affiliate. So how you can do this? So let's move to screen. So if you see, there is an restricted area. Why this restricted area? Because this particular section is paid. If a person want to access this section, then he need to pay me again next 100, the amount I fix. So if I person is click on this, so he get this page, and from here he only able to access this page of after done the payment of $100. So this is my upsell. This is my upsell. You can do same like this by adding your paid courses or your affiliate links or affiliate courses. Affiliate link is added different place, but you only give access to those to your restricted area if they purchase through your affiliate link, if you are affiliate with the ClickFunnels or any other course sources. So yeah, so he opened this page. So how we can do this thing? So for that, we need to again back to our dashboard. Again need to click on our dashboard, and from here you need to click build a funnel. You need to click again build a funnel, and for that, this time we need to build a product funnel or different like this. So click on create a custom funnel, and it is this I name give this to click funnel tutorial. So it is my upsell, it is my upselling page or my product page. So I need to choose different page here. So it is loading. So yeah, this is open, and From here we need to choose this time we need to choose a order form, because we are sell the product or we are open the next upsell, so need to click on the order form. And from here you can choose any order form template. Okay, I will choose this first. So this order form is completely built. You don't need to do anything. It is automatic already built. You just need to add your upsell if you have any upsells or all those things. So edit page, click on edit page. So those things that we require to sell our product, or so they are already available on this page. So if you see, then here is the thing, all those product details about money back guarantee and all those things are available here. And currently we doesn't set anything, so it is zero, so showing us zero. So I shared with you how you can edit this. So if you do any changes, so click on save, but I never did any changes, so I just click on exit. So then we need to click on product, so because this option is only available in the order form or sales form or all those things, because we are added product here, so we need to click build our product first, add our product first here. So you can click add product and your payment integration. So I have a PayPal. You can add Stripe or whatever you are using. Then your product is a subscription based or one time, so I am choosing one time. And yeah, backpack is only available in 297 plan, so we don't have any 297 plan. So click save and next. And then the name, give the name of the product. So the name of product is click funnel tutorial pair one. Product name is a ClickFunnels, and choose the price. What price you want to sell? So I want to sell this no, $100, or you can choose any. And then all those things, price, display, override, and it is all small things. Here is the bump order. We, as we share, read in the .com secret or OFA, like a bump product. So I don't have any bump here. So if you add any bump, so you need to open this, click on this. So but we are not add any order bump. So 7 next. Then create product variation if you have any product variation. So on this, and if not, then 7 next. And enable fulfillment. So if you have any for email marketing tool or any follow-up email, so you are click on this and uh, message this format. So we don't have 7 next. And the follow-up, so not it is only in 297. Physical product, no. So if yes, then click on yes and you set up all your shipment and everything. This is just a digital product. So product will be created. ClickFunnels tutorial paid $100 USD. There is no order bump. Product quality limit off. Everything is closed. And if you see, there is a success. The product will be created. So we need to again back to our funnel, and from the funnel we need to go to our main funnel that we build for membership. Click on this and click here to click funnel tutorial. So click on this restricted area, and on this restricted area we build a product. This is the product. Click funnel tutorial paid, we add a new product. So click on this and upgrade offer funnel, upgrade upsell, upgrade like upsell. So upgrade offer funnel and click funnel tutorial paid opt-in. So click this that you build and update the lesson section. Now I update this lesson section, and from here Again, I need to check this, but before we have this member, one member that we, with the help of this member, we are able to enter in this page. So let's copy the email ID that I use for this. Yeah, I am already a member, so click on the already a member, and then enter your email address and password, log into account. If you see, this page is now restricted. If I click on this page, so here is not restricted because I am not refreshed this page. But if you see, there is this page is restricted, and once I click on this upgrade area, upgrade here button, so this will upsell me the next product, and the next product price is $100, or maybe you have any price product, so you can upgrade your upsell. The person who joined this course for free, and while he consume my content, while he get information from me, I give him the next option. Is the next option is my upsell. Upsell is this, you are only able to get this area if you paid this much of amount. So now the next thing is, if a person is purchase ClickFunnels through me, and I want to give access to the person, I want to give this members area to the person for free because he purchased with my affiliate link. So how I give it for free? So let's see how. So let's jump to again our ClickFunnels, and from here we have member this. So click on the members. I'm already on this page. So here you see their edit page, the members, although people who are in your course, you are able to see that here. So click on this edit button, and then click on the purchase. You need to set some tags, or you can directly give access. So I will give you share how you can directly give access. So click on the purchases and add a product. Now you want to give the person to this product access to this product. So the product that we build is a ClickFunnels tutorial paid one. So I give the product access and add the purchases. And now if I refresh this page, if you see, then I give the access to the person abc123@gmail.com. So he purchased through my affiliate link ClickFunnels. So only that's why I give him to the access to the ClickFunnels tutorial or next upsell. Yeah, if you see, this is now give the access to this. Now the person who is purchased through my affiliate link, I give him the access, and here is now not any restricted area. Here is not any restricted area now, only because I give him access by the this from this membership area to all those people who purchase through my affiliate link. I give them the membership area access, and if they don't buy through me, I will give them I know not upgrade their link, or it is not like only affiliate. You are host your product course, or your upsell, or your high ticket products, so all those things like this. So it is work in this way. So hope. So yeah, in within 29 minutes, or it is very less time, because 29 minutes is take by only the things are pages are not loaded. But yeah, in the 29 minutes, or yeah, okay, 29 minutes, we build our membership area, and now you can give this membership area, membership funnel, to your prospect, to your uh, lead, to your generate more leads for your business. And from here you able to make your upsells, and inside this funnel you are able to make sell your upsells. all those things. And your affiliate, if you are an affiliate, so you first you nurture your audiences, and then while they get information, so you are able to, so you directly give them access for your of your click affiliate product or the product you are promoting. So I will share how you can upsell, add your affiliate links on, because it is just a simple process. You don't need to uh, think for it so much. I share my screen. So this is my free lead magnet course that I share with you in the starting. So if you see, first I give the value, first I teach them what is the thing, and then the next is I add the link of the 14 days free trial. I add this link, and it is my affiliate link. It is my affiliate link. A person his visit, enter this website for free, he consume my content, and in every video content, under the video, I give the my video affiliate link, or my affiliate link, sorry, video affiliate link, my fun funnel away challenge, or the product that I am affiliate. So I give the link. So for with that, a customer, a client will get information. Firstly I nurture them, then the next step is my affiliate product or my paid programs, everything. So you can do all those things in the ClickFunnels itself. So it is very easy process, and hope you learn the things how you can build your membership area inside ClickFunnels. So it is like very simple. So that is it. We built our first ever lead magnet. So that is the one thing. So hope you like it, and please, if you give your love, smash the love, and smash the give your support in the comment section. And yeah, if you're watching it on my YouTube channel, so please subscribe to my channel and share it with your friends or your clients, whether. So please subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you so much.